Be blessed by the divine. How do you handle Kundalini disturbance? Kundalini doesn't disturb you. You are disturbing the Kundalini. Let me make it very clear to you. Kundalini is your life force. It is your self-healing, self-diagnostic powers of yours. It powers your body, it powers your mind, it powers your consciousness, it powers all your actions. It will never disturb you. But if you are indulging or ignoring, or if you are having certain wrong practices in terms of yogic practices or tantric practices or certain religious practices, or even immoderate, non-indulgible, wrongly indulgible work, food, rest, use of thought force and sex, you could potentially disturb your Kundalini. So how do you deal with it? First, prevention is better than cure. Maintain moderation in food, work, rest, use of thought force and sex. Second, discipline your mind with the power of auto-suggestion, with the power of alpha frequency of your mind, by meditating or learning to awaken your Kundalini and meditating on your own life force Kundalini Shakti at the Sahasrara chakra, at the crown chakra. You will be able to go to the alpha level of frequency, then analyze those actions that are causing pain for you or disturbing you, and try and superimpose the negative thinking with positive thinking. Supposing you are into a particular wrong behavior or wrong action or addictive behavior, for instance, watching pornography on the internet or getting into some kind of chemical drug addiction or getting into certain mental aberrations such as anger and worry and so on and so forth, then figure out what positive thinking, positive habit can replace these pain-giving, these disturbing actions and behaviors of yours. Superimpose. How do you superimpose? Go to the same frequency with which you are getting disturbed in your actions and superimpose with a lower frequency the positive thinking, that is alpha level of frequency. Replace it. Supposing you get angry with somebody very frequently and that is disturbing you a lot, then you have to go to the same frequency, think of the same person, the same incident or trigger that is making you get angry, and tell yourself, my expectation is causing this behavior in me. Take a positive behavior, not anger as a tool. Your expectation may be good. It may be something that is needed. It may even be doing good for you and others. Supposing, let's say, you want your wife to exercise or you want son to study well. Anger is not going to help you fulfill that or help him succeed. But friendship, kindness, blessing that person, becoming his partner in progress, you may be able to help your son concentrate and study well and pass examination. This is your decision. He is not actually triggering anger in you. It is your choice, your decision to use anger as a wrong tool to teach him a lesson. Probably you have tried this. Probably you have failed umpteen number of times. Perhaps it is time for you to learn to meditate on your own life force. Go to alpha level of frequency, use friendship, use the power of superimposition, use the power of friendship as a tool instead of anger as a tool to help him succeed with his exams. I'm just giving you an example. I can go on applying this in various scenarios for various disturbances that you're having in your life. The other ways of handling the yogic wrong practices is to learn Shanti meditation and practice Shanti yoga by focusing your mind on your own Muladhara chakra, root chakra, with the help of a divine sky yoga master in a Vedatri Sky Yoga center worldwide. We have around 2,500 of them. Learn Shanti meditation. Remember that I have no material to gain from telling you this. I am a volunteer. I don't take any money from the system. Like me, there are 15,000 professors who are volunteers in this system. Many people think that I am promoting this. I have no gain to make by promoting this. This system is a voluntary system. This system is based on selfless people doing selfless service for the sake of enjoying or sharing our happiness with you. I have gained so much from this Vedatri Sky Yoga system. Like me, there are many people, 15,000, 20,000 professors who have learnt this and who want to teach you this. Contact one of them, learn this, learn Shanti meditation, learn higher level meditation techniques, learn introspection techniques, and use the power of auto-suggestion, use the power of superimposition, sublimate your negative thinking, get rid of the causes of disturbance. You will remain healthy and blissful. Really wish you very well. Good luck. Be blessed by the divine.